This is Josh with another free tech tip from retechtips.com. This tech tip will be a favorite of those who produce their own blogs and admin their own websites. What I'm going to show you in this tech tip is how to create a Fav icon for your website or blog to help personalize your site. If you're not sure what a Fav icon is, that is this little guy right up here in the corner of every website. You see Yahoo's got their own and Google has their own, and now I'm going to show you how to make your own. One of my favorite tools for creating Fav icons is a website called favicon.cc. Just visit the URL here, favicon.cc. That will take you to their homepage here. This is really simple. You can use any picture you want. Basically what they do is they take the picture that you want and then they downsize it and pixelate it to a point where it still resembles the original picture, just very, very small. So I'm going to show you how that works. Here you can create your own. Today I'm going to choose to import an image I've already created and have them generate a Fav icon for me. That's the easiest thing to do here. So I'm going to import my image. I'm going to choose this logo here. As you can see, it's 128 by 128 square. This logo image is perfectly square. If you're using like this one, for example, is 160 by 110. You're going to get different results on the options I'm going to show you here in a minute. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one for our demo. And here's what I was talking about. Now, depending on your particular image, you might want to go back and try this a couple of times to see which one gives you the optimal image that you're trying to obtain for your icon. So this one I know is not going to work out for me. I don't want to keep my dimensions. I want to keep it square. So I'm going to upload. As you can see, it's taken my original image and downsized it and pixelated it. Now here is the preview for what my Fav icon is going to look like. Now it didn't exactly come out the way I wanted to. Looks really good though. I just need to fix this little block here, and I need to separate these two out. So what I'm going to do is, these are the colors here that are used in your picture. So I'm going to use this block here to add another white, and I'm also going to add blocks here. Now as I add the blocks, you can see my sample change. Add a block, 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 block. And now I'm going to erase this by choosing the other color. Make sure that matches. Look at these two. And just continue on until now you can see it's separated. So this is how I want it to look. So now I'm ready to download my Fav icon. So you can download here, save it to your desktop or any folder of your choice. And here is my Fav icon file. Now you do not want to change the name of the file. If you rename the file and you upload it to your either your web hosting service that is going to put it in the root folder of your website, if you change the name, your browser will not recognize it and therefore not utilize it up here in the corner. You want to make sure that you do not change the name. You will upload this favicon.ico file to your root folder if you're using FTP to administer your website. If you are using a blog, you'll have to go into your administrative panel and see what options they give you as far as adding a Fav icon for that particular blog. Usually they have some kind of a drop-down menu in the control panel so that you can upload this file to it, to your blog, and so it will display. If there is no favicon.ico file in your root directory, then you can just simply upload it and not have to worry about overwriting or deleting. So you just need to make sure it's in your root directory, and it will propagate on all pages throughout your website. It'll always show up in the top left corner of the address bar of your website. And as you can see here, they give you a preview of what it's going to look like on your website. So we hope this tech tip has helped you out to personalize your website or blog. And if you don't know what FTP or root directories are, you can always tell to your web administrator and they'll know exactly what to do with it. If they don't, you can always send them this tech tip and teach them something new.